Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 1, our body. So in this chapter we will study about our body. As you know that our body, it's a wonderful, what it is, it's a wonderful machine, and that any of the man-made modern machine, it is very complex and complicated. Like machine, our body is also made up of many parts, and each parts perform special function, and the lungs, heart, kidneys and brain. What are these organs? The organ works within a different system of our body. Like we have 5 sense organ: eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin, which is the largest sense organ, and they can be seen from outside. The organ that we can see are external organ. जिन्हें हम देख सकते हैं वो कौन से organ होते हैं? External organ होते हैं. And the organ that are inside the body and we cannot see are internal organ. So we shall study about the functions of the main internal organs of the body. Then we have lungs. Oxygen is important to live. Oxygen क्या है? बहुत important है. We inhale oxygen and what we exhale? Carbon dioxide. This process is called respiration. If we stop inhaling oxygen, we will die. The main part of respiratory system are the lungs, और वहीं क्या होती है? Oxygen absorb हो जाती है. Next, put your hand in front of your nose. You will feel warm air. This is carbon. अब वो air क्या है? Carbon dioxide है. We inhale fresh air from outside through our nose, and from there it goes to the lungs via windpipe. And in the lungs, the blood, what it's do? It's take oxygen from it. At rest, and another person breathe in and out 12 times every minute. Each breath consumes about half liter of air. After running a race, a person may breathe 60 times every. Then we have heart, which lies at the center of the circulatory system and pumps the blood around the body. It travels in a long tube called blood vessels. Before it begins the journey, it is pushed to your lungs to collect oxygen. Then it is returned to your heart to pump around our body, and blood also carry what? Nutrients from your food to the cells. Right? Put your hand on the left side of your chest. What you imagine? That the lapped up sound, and your heart is made up of strong muscles. It is divided into 4 chambers and it works like a powerful pump. In just 1 minute, it can pump a drop of blood all the way down to your toes and back to your heart again. Blood vessels that takes blood away from your heart are called arteries, and those that takes blood back to your heart are called. So you have 2 kidneys. Each one is about the size of clenched fist, and the maid in your house cleans the house daily and throws the rubbish out of the house. Similarly, जबकि किडनी होती है वो आपकी बॉडी को क्लीन करती है. Right? What it's do? It works like a filter, and what they do, they remove unwanted material from the blood in the form of urine. You will be surprised to know that every 5 minutes, all the blood passes through your kidney and to be cleaned. Any water which your body does not need is turned into urine. When it fills up the urine bladder, you feel the need to go to toilet to empty it. Then we have brain, which is the control center of the human body. इसको हम सुपर कंप्यूटर भी बोलते हैं, right? What it's do? It's receive information and message from all the parts of the body through the different nerve. It is placed at the top of the spinal cord. It is protected by the skull. जो brain का weight होता है वो 1.4 kg होता है, and what it's contain? Million of nerve cells. The brain of the human being is largest in size, even in all animals. और brain के 4 main parts होते हैं: cerebrum, cerebellum, your medulla and oblongata. Now liver, which is the largest internal organ of the body. Where it is located? Upper abdomen. थोड़ा brown color का होता है, and it has million of cells, and what it performs? Various metabolic functions. It can be called chemical factory and the storehouse. It produces yellowish fluid, जिसको हम bile कहते हैं, जो किसमें help करता है? Digestion of fatty acids. And it also safeguards from poisonous chemical which are formed inside the body, and it makes them harmless. And it plays an important role in maintaining a constant body temperature. Digestive system. The body needs food, air and water to work. Can the body use food items in form you eat? So the food you eat, वो किसमें टूट जाता है? small substances में which the body is able to use. The breaking down of food from complex to simple soluble form is called digestion. In the mouth, the food is chewed by the teeth and saliva mixes with the food and make it soft. Then it goes to the stomach, which turns into a soluble form. In the small instant time, if we talk about, fine food is sucked by the blood and taken to all the parts of the body. जितना भी अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड होता है वो कहाँ चला जाता है, लार्ज इंस्टिंक्ट टाइम में, एंड फ्रॉम हेयर इट इज पास्ड आउट थ्रू द रेक्टम and anus. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.